What actually happens when you react the carboxylic acid or a member of the family of carboxylic acid with a member of the family of the alkanols with functional group OH? The former has a functional group of COOH. When you react these two, you form ester and water. We have a couple of exchange going on in this reaction, and this is what forms the question for this video. The compound formed when the hydrogen atom in the carboxyl group of a carboxylic acid is replaced by an alkyl group is known as alcohol, alkene, alkyne, esters. The answer to this question is obviously the esters, but I'd like to point out something. This is the carboxylic acid, and what happens is that when you bring an alkanol to react with a carboxylic acid, the alcohol donates HO or the OH. It donates its OH and uses it to form water with this hydrogen in the carboxylic acid. The both of them combine to form water, while the alkyl group then combines with the carboxylic acid, and this is what differentiates the esters with the carboxylic acid. The carboxylic acids, the members have hydrogen, while the esters have the alkyl group. Alkyl groups are very, very nice groups. They help to elongate compounds and also form branches. I may drop something about the alkyl group in the comment section. But for this video, we have been able to answer this question, but just for additional knowledge, especially for beginners, we'll be dropping this. So you can take a look at this, the alkanols or the alcohols, OH, and this is an example, ethanol. So this is the alkyl group that I was talking about. This is the alkyl group that I was talking about. So R represents alkyl group, and it can be this short, it can be longer, and all of that. So you can have alkenes characterized by double bonds, and have alkynes, triple bond, and this is your ester looking nice. So this is your alkyl groups. You can have alkyl group anywhere. So that's that for that, and the answer to this question is esters. Do well to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more video. Thank you.